guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Tanya. Today I wanted to do a video dedicated to Valentine's Day, specifically focused on boyfriends, just because I feel like, it's kind of hard to buy for them. So I've been looking literally on TikTok for days now, and I've been able to find these different things that you can do that are actually DIYs, and they're kind of simple, not too hard to do. They will be a sentimental gift of value that your partner will appreciate. Literally anyone can do them. They're affordable and they're going to be so special. So yeah, I don't want to ramble on. Let's just get into the video and we'll get into those ideas. The first one I found is literally so cute. Like it's a little camera you make out of cardboard paper, so it's like super easy to make in the sense of materials. In the video you can see how she's like putting different color papers together to make that kind of line on the camera, and then she inserts this cute little Polaroid photo, which I think you can also make the border yourself. If you don't have a Polaroid photo, you can make one yourself. But I thought it was so cute because it's like so special. Like you open that card and then there's a picture of you guys from a special moment you had, and I think that's just so nice to have in a gift. Like I love things like that. But yeah, that's gift idea number one. We got one down. This second idea I freaking love. She made like these DIY love coupons, and you could put literally anything you would like she put like back rubs, dinner date or something like that, hugs and kisses, weekend getaway, things like that, date night. For me, I love like back rubs, foot rub, any kind of massage. I put on those tickets if like I wanted to receive those. It could be really anything. That's what I love about these DIY gifts. Like they're gonna be so unique to everybody. But that was one idea. Then again, materials are just like paper, pencil, crayons, so very non-expensive and really accessible for a lot of people to be able to make, which I think is great. You don't really have to spend a lot of money, it can be something so simple like this, but it can mean so much. Okay, this third idea, it can be also for your friends, so it's not specifically to boyfriends. I mean, all of these can be customized, but I thought this one would be perfect for my boyfriend, only because he is like a sweets treat lover. He loves like anything sweet, and so this is just a bouquet of cupcakes, and you can pick these up at your local grocery stores. There's sometimes like $6, so it could also be really inexpensive. And I think if you have a sweet tooth boyfriend, they'll love anything you give them that's sweet. Cupcakes, cookies, I think you could do it multiple ways. But yeah, that one's just cute and fun. This next one is so cute. It's like a lottery kind of DIY thing that you do. So yeah, it's this like little hearts that you write, like it's basically like the coupon one, but in a lottery scratcher thing. So you write like movie night, back massage, things like that. Again, customizable to what you would like. And then you put it on this card and you put a little coin at the side, and you kind of can't speak, you reveal what you win. So it's kind of like you won the lottery. I mean, honestly, yeah, if your girlfriend's giving you this, you won the lottery with her anyways. But I think she did it. She said she used Dawn dish soap and paint, and by doing that, like it'll come off like really easily with the coin, I guess. I tried it, but this looks like something I'll do because it's so cute. Again, the materials: paper, paint, water. Simple. Love that. This next one I also love because it's a gift that'll last the whole year. It's a calendar for the year, and each like month has a little picture of you and a little like quote. You can write something special, so they can use it throughout the whole year, and it's just something really special to have. And again, really inexpensive to make. You just need that yarn and then paper and pictures of you, which you can get done at Walgreens. I usually always do it. It's super easy and affordable there. Honestly, I'm probably gonna do that one. Maybe. I haven't really decided. I have so many ideas now. This next one I freaking love because first of all, I used Kiss Me by Ed Sheeran. Love that song so much. I love Ed Sheeran. Basically draw like you know how Spotify has like the name, the song, and then you have play, blah, 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 all that stuff. You draw that, and then in the middle you like kiss a paper with lipstick, and so it's all your kisses, and then you put that as the artwork of the song. And I think it's so special because it's literally your kisses on there, so it's like one of a kind. I think that's super cute. This next one, it's like a vending machine that has like little notes of things that you really love about your partner, and you kind of just like know exactly how they did this one. It looks pretty complicated, but the note is in the heart shape, but I don't know how they made it like fall. It looks pretty elaborate, but I just thought it was cute to throw out as an idea, like if someone knows how to make it. The username for this was awesome hamster, so maybe you can check them out. But I thought it was super cute, like having a little vending machine, and then you pick out like, oh, I want that note today, I want this note. It's so cute. This next one will take a little bit more effort, just because you have to put these notes in places you know your boyfriend will find. Basically they just made like little love notes, and they drew out little hearts and glued them on little envelopes, and you kind of put them everywhere. So like on his bed, in his shoes, his game controller, his dresser, where his glasses are, or his wallet are if he uses glasses, or everyone has a wallet, and then like anywhere he think they can find them. It's basically that they'll find little things throughout the day, and I think that's so cute. Like it's like a gift that just goes on the whole day, and I mean, who doesn't like that, right? This next one, I've actually done for my boyfriend. Last year I actually got him this. I made him a heart with pictures of us. Like you just basically cut them up, right? They used a stencil of a heart that was already made, but you can also just cut out a heart out of cardboard paper and just glue all the photos on there and fill it up. They also in this had like just a box of candies in a heart, which is super cute. So there's many ways you can actually do this. You can follow exactly how they did it, or you can just like cut out that heart and cut out all the pictures and make them fit and Mod Podge them on there, and then you have a beautiful heart you can keep forever. This next one is actually like the camera one. It's just a little bit different. Instead of you pulling out just one photo, it's actually like pulling out like 5, but the camera itself pulls out. I don't know, they kind of show you a tutorial here on how to do it. Like she's clipping, like making the lens first, which is just paper, like cut out. Like it doesn't look very hard, it looks pretty simple. It's just like following all the steps, but she glues like a bunch of pictures together loosely so they could fold back together, and it looks like she's painting the paper, assembling the camera piece, and you know, you can draw on the things. And I thought it was so cute. Like, isn't that so cute? Like, look at that. And then you just attach it to that and you pull it up, and then you have 5 cute photos. That's so I really want to do this one too. There's just so many good ones. I'm just like, my boyfriend's gonna get like 20 presents, honestly, because I just want to do all of them just because they look like so much fun. Like I love crafts. This next one is it's just like a little matchboxes. So if you have any left over at your house, that's what they use. Just decorated them to look, you know, like Valentine's Day-y. I think they wrote happy mail on there, and it's like, you're my perfect, you're my everything. And they're just little like messages that they can open up, and I think it's so cute putting it in this way. And you're repurposing, you know, old matchbox. This one I freaking love because it's a puzzle that's a heart. Like you make your own puzzle. They fold an envelope by the shape of a heart, and then you're supposed to like put them all together, and I think that's so freaking creative. And you kind of write a special thing that you love about your partner, you know, like your intellect, your soul, your taste in music, your humor, things like that. And then they open it in a envelope that opens up to be the shape of a heart, and then you put all the pieces together. How freaking cute that is. Amazing. I love that one. 10 out of 10 stars. That is so cute. This last one, if your boyfriend's a gamer and they like Minecraft, I saw this girl actually make this rose that looks like it's from Minecraft, and she took like a bunch of wooden blocks, painted them into the shape, and then she had that flower. So if your boyfriend likes that, then I think that would be a really good gift too. So basically that concludes all of the gift ideas. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Maybe I'll do a part 2 if you really like it. I'll do one for friends, best friends, parents, anyone who is a loved one in your life. And so yeah, give it a like, subscribe. I hope to be posting more long form videos. I do a lot of shorts right now. If you're into fashion, lifestyle, just funny things sometimes. I don't know, I post a lot of random stuff. Anyways, bye. Thanks guys.